In this video, I'll show you how to add and modify the car balustrade and the scaffoldings. Let's dive right in! Let's begin with the car balustrade. First, activate a view frame and ensure that the component visibility of the Refuge spaces is active. Then, select the car in the drawing. Then use the breadcrumb window to select the car balustrade object. Set its component state from inactive to active and choose a component from the library. In the properties, you can customize the balustrade for each wall according to your requirements. You can decide which walls should have a balustrade, set distances to the walls, and adjust the height. Simple, right? Then let's move on to the scaffoldings. Activate the assembly platforms by clicking the corresponding button in the component visibility ribbon group. To adjust the number of platforms per floor, navigate to the group and shaft configurator, then to the floor levels. Click the white arrow in the second column to expand the settings. Here you can see the number of platforms on each floor. Let's add another one to the top floor by clicking the upper arrow. When the platform is active, you can set its dimensions. Notice the minus sign in front of the value. When you change this value, for example to 2,500 mm, you can position the platform. And voila! Your scaffoldings are all set. Thanks for watching!